Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 8i and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are on the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. And as you can see, on the third position we've got the timer option, and we've got 3 different options which we can set. So right now we've got the timer turned off. This option is highlighted, so it means that it is turned off, but we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So I will pick 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to simply tap on it. As you can see, this option right now, it is highlighted, and in the shutter button we've got the countdown, the timer actually. So let's go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so we can quickly check the last option. Let's set 3 seconds delay. As you can see, it changed on the shutter button, and it will count down from 3, and of course we can turn it off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.